Let's see if this is true. Let's see how cold this water is. I'm trying to think. I traveled as a kid, but I don't think I've ever gone in the Pacific Ocean before. Ooh, I mean, it's cold, but you could swim in it. It's not that bad. No, you could get used to this. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. But if people go surfing for a long period of time, I know that they do use wetsuits and stuff, which would make sense, but you almost wouldn't need one. It's not bad. But there it is. Sun's going down. I just like